Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. Today we're shooting part 4 of the ammo test with the Tikka. We're going to be running some Eley Team through it, 50 yards. We're going to do a few siders, run through the KYL, and then 4 or 5 shot groups. And we'll see if going up in price equals a little tighter groups. So stay tuned. We'll get right into it. All right, boys and girls, I think we've got everything set up. We'll jump over to the KYL. Got a little bit of intermittent wind right now.
Yeah, boy.
All right, let's go on and shoot some groups. See what we can get done here. It's about 10 degrees warmer this evening than it was this morning. Wish I would have just shot this one this morning. It was 98 degrees when I came out. That's okay. Okay. Not too bad. Got a little bit of breeze on me right now, but the wind flag down at the target is not wiggling, so. Uh-oh. There's another one for Mike. All right. Well, that was pretty exciting. I start getting nervous when I have a good group falling together there. I don't know why. Does that happen to any of you? So I can't believe we hadn't had a hang up out of our magazine yet. That's impressive. This may be the problem magazine though. I can't remember. I need to mark that magazine and just see if it is one particular magazine or if they're all doing that. Looking really nice. And the last shot. As long as Kevin don't mess it up, we're off to a good group. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to get this video closed out. I just wanted to thank each and every one of you guys for taking time out of your day to watch the video once again. What about that Eley Team, man? That stuff, it'll shoot, won't it? Little Tikka seemed to like it. I was pretty impressed. It was a fun shoot. Again, I want to thank you for watching the video. Thanks for everybody who has subscribed. Those of you that are not subscribed, if you like what's going on this channel, just reach over there and smack that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified, and you'll know when a new video drops. I've got several more of these coming out. We're doing a little Eley, not necessarily an Eley ammo test, but we're doing a little ammo test series through the Tikka. This is part 4, so we've got quite a few more to come out. So stay tuned. The next one's just around the corner. Thanks, guys.